Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not working on Windows 11. First, confirm your internet connection is strong. A weak signal can cause many issues. Then, try restarting your computer completely, as this often resolves minor software conflicts. Also, check for any pending Windows 11 updates, as an outdated operating system can lead to compatibility problems. These simple steps can often resolve common Roblox startup issues quickly. Keeping your drivers and Roblox up to date is crucial for smooth gameplay. Navigate to your graphics card manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers for your specific model. Similarly, open the Roblox player, and it should prompt you for any available updates automatically. Outdated drivers and game clients are a very common cause of unexpected errors. This simple maintenance prevents many frustrating technical glitches. Your computer's security settings, like the firewall or antivirus, can sometimes prevent Roblox from launching. Check your Windows Defender firewall settings to ensure Roblox is listed as an allowed application. If problems persist, try temporarily disabling your antivirus software for a few minutes to see if it resolves the issue. Remember to re-enable it afterward for your system's protection. This step helps identify if security tools are the culprit. Corrupted cache files can significantly impact Roblox's performance. You can clear these temporary files from the Roblox folder in your app data directory, often found by typing %localappdata% in the Run dialog. If issues persist, completely uninstalling Roblox and then performing a fresh installation from the official website is a highly effective solution. This ensures you start with a clean, uncorrupted version of the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.